Hey everybody, sorry it's been a while. Just been going through some stuff. Anyways, latest things are going to change. Got some little bit of plans change here. Of course, the chicken coop's the same. Compost bin's the same. I moved the ring from over here. I gotta still finish this up. Moved it over here because I don't know how someone threw something over the fence or not, because our neighbors, there's just our fence and then there's our other yard and then the street. But a few months ago, there were some full-grown tomato plants here. So I think what I had done, we had a bed that was broken and we tore it down. I've set it over here for now because we're going to use the wood. And then of course the wood just got soggy from the rain and stuff, but it actually soaked in and started composting. So I'm wondering if that's what started the tomatoes to grow, or helped the tomatoes to grow with our dirt here. Because we're in Oklahoma and our dirt is a lot of clay, so I don't know. Maybe it works good here. But anyways, I moved the bed stuff. The bed is here now, process right now, because we're moving it. That's going to be part of the chicken coop. I'll explain that in a minute. I moved this from over there to here. I'm going to start planting some more stuff here. I think the ground's a little bit better here. Here's the part that I was telling you, it was composting. I'm going to use this wood, and I'm going to start use this bed frame. I'm going to use this for a chicken coop extension. I'm going to move all these boards together to make like a flat floor. And I'm going to slide it around. I'm going to use these parts here. I'm going to cut this part off here, this whole end, slide it under there, around it, and then cut at least a section out of here to open it up, and then push this into it, push the frame into it, and then build up the walls, floor, and the roof and the back and everything to give them an extra room. And then if I have enough wood, I'm trying to do all this without buying anything from the store, but we'll see. But my idea would be take off this nesting box and then put it on the side like this, but on the new extension piece here. At least that's the idea. And then try to block this in. So then, because the chickens only really use one side anyways, but we'll try to make it so we don't have to go back behind this anymore, which is kind of a pain in the butt. But we'll see. But yeah, that's it for now. That's just some scrap we're looking at using for the coop. Some of this is probably not going to be any good, but I do have more over there. I picked up some more, like some people were throwing away some baby crib frames, and use that to build as well, and all that will hopefully be incorporated. And I do have, I think I told you before in one of my other videos, that a little kiddie pool right here. We used it for the chickens when we were raising them in the house. We had actually had them in the house. And this part right here, the chicken screen right there, was right around. I actually had a little coop for them, so I'm going to use that. All right, sorry about that, guys. I got interrupted. So I'm going to use that mesh, this mesh here. I think I'm going to try to do something with, actually I might use this one. I found this one from somebody else's throwing away bin. The chicken wire to put on the tomatoes and stuff. So I'm going to see how I can do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it just yet, but I have a couple ideas I'm going to try out. We'll see. And I found this piece here. You can't really see it. I think that's part of it too. It's like somebody made a big old bench. I'll try to make something like that too back here. But yeah, we'll see. I've kind of been letting the compost go. I haven't really been looking into it too much. We did a big backyard cleanup. I still got to finish a few things back here, but we got a bunch of stuff I got to break down and put back in there. See a little grass and stuff. Yeah, we shall see. But yeah, our chickens are doing good. I need to get the coop built because it's getting cold. Like right now, I think it's like almost 40 some degrees. They're doing fine. They've been doing fine through the winter. This chicken coop is junk, so I gotta do the best I can to expand it and make it stronger and make it warmer for them. But they're hanging in there. I think I'm going to use some of that wood up there as well. Some of the wood, right? Some in there somewhere. I have some totes we used for their bedding a while back. I'm going to use that. I'm going to change it and try to make a water catchment for them. Try to have it somewhere and then feed right into this and just fill it up. But in due time, we'll see. Anyway, guys, sorry about it taking so long. Just like I said, we're going through some stuff, so we'll see what happens. See you guys shortly.